Welcome to Sustainably Gabrielle. Today I wanted to do a mini tutorial on joining your PDF sewing pattern. I find the best way to print your PDF sewing patterns is using Adobe Reader. It's a free version on your desktop, and that way you have access to the layers and you can turn off the sizes that you don't need and just print your size. It makes it so much easier when cutting it out. Simply open your file in Adobe Reader. You'll see the layers option, and there's little eye icons that you can switch off the sizes that you don't need and just leave your sides visible. And from there you can print your pattern out at 100%. And once you print out your pattern, it will look like this. They will have numbers on each page, so you know the consecutive order, and a little border around the edge. And this is where your patterns need to join. Each page within that border will have a little triangle with a letter and a number. I will show you how I join these up today. There are a few different options, and depending on my pattern, I do them differently. You can cut the top and the left side off your border if you like, or you can simply fold them under. Today we're going to fold over our edges and tape them together. If you lay them out in order, I find the best option is to tape these together in rows and then connect each row after that, and that seems to guarantee that your pattern lines up a bit better. So these are what the pages will look like. It will have numbers for each page, so you know the consecutive order, and then it will have these little diamonds at the top, sides, and bottom. These diamonds are how you know where it corresponds to the page next to it. So at the top I have H2, which will correspond to H2 on the row above. At the side, this is J1 and J2, which will correspond to J1 and J2 on the pages it connects to. This border around the edge allows us to tape these pieces together. So we fold under the top and the left side, like so. We connect our pages, joining up these corresponding triangles. We have J1 on this page and J1 on this page, creating a little perfect diamond, and our pattern pieces line up perfectly. Then we just continue on from there. When it comes to taping, there are a few methods you can use. You can tape over the diamond and the top of the page and the bottom of the page. I also like to make sure that I have tape over any of the lines that I'm going to be cutting. Once you have finished taping together your pages, simply cut out your pattern pieces along the lines and you are good to go.